Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eve Swan's here again. So today I'm going to show you the right way to use vitamin E oil for your skin, especially for your face. Now, pure vitamin E oil is a very essential oil which helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps the skin to become more elastic when it's absorbed directly into the skin. It prevents wrinkles and premature aging. It also does well in getting rid of dark spots and age spots. When used frequently, it's gonna take about 10 years off your age. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So to start, just take a bowl and pour some hot water into it. Now get a face towel and put it in the hot water. Now, starting from a clean face, take the towel out of the hot water and strain it. Now put the warm towel on your face. Just leave it on your face for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is gonna help open up the pores. So after 3 minutes, take off the towel. Get some few drops of pure vitamin E oil and massage it gently on your face. Since your pores are open, it is going to be very easy for this oil to absorb into your skin, and you are going to get the maximum benefits. It is not going to sit on your skin and go wasted. It is really going to get into your skin and get to work. You can do this every other day for its maximum benefits, and it's going to give you that younger looking skin you've always dreamed of. It's gonna leave your skin flawless and spotless. Okay guys, so this is it, and I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.